The Children's Shelter Foundation River Farm in Chiang Mai, Thailand, is an initiative supporting youth from the Hill Tribe regions of the North. My name is Suzanne Gregoire, and I returned there in the summer of 2024 to celebrate GloCAP's 14th year of partnership with them. GloCAP sponsored a dance and art workshop engaging a community of 43 and fostering creativity, connection, and hope.
My name is Klamra. I was born and grew up in Kindiri, a tiny village in Chad with limited resources and opportunities for first-class educations for children and creativity. GloCAP helped us build a one-room schoolhouse in 2013, giving children a place to learn, and in 2024, GloCAP sponsored an art workshop that introduced 200 children to paints for the very first time. It was a transformative experience, opening a new world of expression and possibilities for our youth.
Hatay is a region in Turkey where thousands lost their lives in the devastating earthquake of February 6, 2023. Families still endure difficult conditions, living in tents and container villages. In May 2024, GloCAP co-sponsored the Ben Buradayim I Am Here project, an art and dance workshop that brought joy, healing, and creativity to over 1,200 children affected by the tragedy.
My name is Nigel Pugh, GloCAP's board president, and we are excited that in 2025, GloCAP will return to Thailand and Turkey with new workshops, forge an exciting new partnership in Bali, and expand its initiatives in Chad by introducing additional workshops and building a dedicated art studio.